Hey guys, what's going on this morning? I'm out here staining some live edge mantles. Check this out. Got one right here made out of ponderosa pine. I'm gonna be doing it dark, like this table. But I really want to show you this one right here. It's juniper. I gotta keep moving on it. I've already started staining it. Check it out. Using this Minwax Puritan pine. Let me show you what it looks like when it goes on here. It really brings out the grain there, doesn't it? Okay, so let's get over here and do this one next. Alright, over here we're going to be using the dark walnut. I'll show you what it looks like going on. Much darker. Alright guys, so if you're interested in one of these live edge mantles, tabletops, bar tops, live edge woodworking, you need to be sure to get a hold of me at coloradosprings.sawmill.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.